Let us say that we are all in 2020 again, which is the mid phase of the corona period, and the government has announced that everyone in our family, in my family, in your family, everyone should get vaccinated to prevent corona. Okay. But the thing is, the government has decided to follow the breadth first search logic to decide in which order everyone in the family should be vaccinated. Okay. So let me give a brief definition of what breadth first search before getting into the example. Okay. First of all, what does search mean? Searching means to locate a specific data exactly where it is. That is called searching. So then what does breadth mean? Let us see. Let us say that we are all computer science students and we have various topic subjects, right? Various subjects include data structures, OOPS, computer networks, digital signal processing, and so on, right? So these are all this is considered a breadth of a topic or something. What is a depth then? So if I'm decided to learn data structures in a deep to get a very sound knowledge, I will learn like trees, graphs, and arrays, queues, everything, right? And this is called depth. And in this video, we'll focus only on BFS, which is the breadth. Okay, so this is basically breadth first search, which means we will search every data in breadth wise. Okay, and we won't go depth wise. Sounds confusing, but let's see the example. So we are all in 2020 now, and the government has decided to vaccinate everyone in the family in the order of after following BFS, breadth first search. Okay, so let me draw a graph of a family to understand BFS. Okay, so the family starts with our grandpa. Okay, he is the eldest in our family, in the family, let's imagine, and he has three children, and his son one, his another is daughter, she's a second, and the third one is also a daughter. Okay, so he has three children, and each children has, let us say son one has two children, daughter 2 has one children, and daughter 3 has three children. Okay, son 1, son 2, daughter 1, son 1. So let us say this is the tree of the family. Okay, so now the government has decided to BFS to decide the order in which they should vaccinate the family, right? So let us see how BFS works. First of all, grandpa is the eldest. Okay, he's the parent of everyone. Without him, the entire family can't happen, right? So first, grandpa should be vaccinated. Okay, clear. And before that, let us understand the graph has three levels. Grandpa is the generation 1. Let us also say it is level 1, and his children are generation 2, which is level 2, and his grandchildren are generation 3, and they are level 3 in the graph. So in breadth first search, the eldest node, the parent node, gets vaccinated first. Okay, then comes the second level. We hop on to the second generation. So now in this example, there are three persons in the generation 2, and how the order should be. First, level 1 is breadth 1, level 2 is breadth 2, and level 3 is breadth 3. So we only after finishing every level we should hop on to the next level. That is, only after completing vaccinating every generation, every people in one generation, then only we have to hop on to the next generation. So after vaccinating grandpa generation 1, we have to look that if there are any other people in generation 1. So in this example, there is only grandpa here and there is no one else. So we are hopping to the next generation. And in the next generation, there are totally 3 persons. And who should we vaccinate now first? Breadth first search, we have to understand the logic that every time the graph moves from left to right. Okay, so first son 1 will be vaccinated. Okay, after grandpa, the son will be vaccinated. Then it will check that if there are any other person in generation 2. There is daughter 2. So after son 1, daughter 2 will be vaccinated. Then daughter 3 will be vaccinated. Okay, then correspondingly, since there are no other person in generation 2, we should hop on to the next generation and come back again to son 1 here, then to son 2, then to daughter 1 and son 1. So this is actually how the breadth first search works. So to summarize this, let us just rank everything so that we are very clear. Okay, so this is the entire graph of the family, and so grandpa will get vaccinated first, son 1 will get vaccinated second, daughter 2 third, and he is 4th, he is 5th, he is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. And if a government decide to vaccinate everyone in the family in the order of breadth first search, this is how it will work. And hope you understand the concept.